Good morning, and here we are with a new thing, and that is like tree traversal technique, right? So, we have already discussed about in order, pre-order, and post-order in the last video. Now, what exactly is the tree traversal actually? So, it is the process of visiting each node in the tree exactly once once in some time. So, that's what it is. So, today we will start off with the first one, that is BFS. And the full form of this is breadth first search. Okay. Now, as you can see by the name, the name itself says that it is going to work across, like left to right, across like this. That means horizontal. When we are working on this technique, it is basically horizontally. We have to move in the, in the graph or in the tree. Okay, so let me just remove this and let us start with this. Say for example, if I have a graph somewhat like this, I have A, B, say C, and then I have D, alright. Then maybe I can make this as E, and for this I can make as F, okay. This I can make as G and H, okay. And the next one is I can say is I. Then in this also I can make two children, that is J and K. In the F I'll not make anything. For this let me make L. Here let me make M. And maybe here I'm going to make an N. Alright. So this is what it is. Now what are we going to do is we will start moving. So first of all, the first thing is in this the travel happens level by level. So what do you mean by level? So this is my level 0. This is my level 1, this is my level 2, this is my level 3, and this is my level 4. So if you see here, this is level, this is level, this is level, this is level, and this is one level. So that is what I'm trying to tell you over here. So if I have to write the level order for this, what it will be? It will be A. Then I'm going to B, C, D. Then I'm going to E, F, G, H, I. Then the next level J, K, L, M, N. So this is the level order I am talking about. Right? This is how it goes. Now, when you have to travel across level by level. Okay. So now, how do we go about it? So first of all, it follows the FIFO, or you can say first in, first out. That's the full form of FIFO. And it is which technique actually? It is a queue. Now, I will be soon uploading a video on all these things. So you can just go through it and you'll get to know like what is queue, what is stack. So in stack we follow LIFO, that is last in first out. FIFO is first in first out. Okay. So now when I say first in first out is like how do you follow a queue? In queue, suppose if there are 4 persons standing. So the person who comes like standing over here, he reaches or he gets the ticket first, right? So first person, and then maybe people are coming from back and they are joining the queue. So exactly the same principle we will apply over here. Okay, so that is what we will do. So let me just begin. Suppose for example, here we will start with the first thing, that is A. Now what will happen? A will enter from here and we will take out A from this place. So it has entered here. So what we will do? We will cut A. Now after A, once we have taken out. Where will A take to us? This was level 0. Now it will take to level 1. So we will write all of it, B, C and D. Now once you have reached this level, again the same thing, we have to take out B from here. We have to pull out B. So when you cut B, what will happen? We will put these two, C and D, and B is taking us to which level? E and F. So we will write E, F like this. Now what I want to do? I want to take out C from the Q. Okay. So again the same thing. What will happen? We will write D, E, F as it is. These three as it is. And C is taking us to which level? We will say G and H. Okay. Now the same rule, we are taking out D from here. So we will write as it is. That is E, F, G, H. And then D has taken us to which level, which node? That is I. Okay. Now see, level 2 is finished. Correct? So now we'll go to the next one. Okay. When you go to the next one, the first thing which you will do is take out E. So when you will cut E, we will write same things. That is F, G, H, I. And when you cut E, E is taking us to level 2. That is node J and K. So I will write J and K. Now when you cut F, see F is not, there is no children. I mean nothing is here, right? So what we will do? We will do nothing. Okay. And we will write the sequence as it is. Now we will go to G. Now we will take out G from the Q. So once G is gone, we will write as it is H, I, J, K. And then after, G is taking us to which one? That is L. Okay. Now same thing, we will take out H. So H is again, there is no children over here. So we can just write I, J, K, L. Okay. After we have written I, J, K, L, we will take out I. So I is taking us to M node. So we will write J, K, L, M. Now, what will happen? We will take out J. See, J again has no children. So it will be K, L, M. And then when you remove this, you'll go to K. You'll remove K. So K has this. So L, M, N. Now you'll go to the next one, L. It doesn't have any children. So it will be M and N. And then you go to, you take out N, M. So you are left with N. So this is how the breadth for first search happens. Okay. So if I talk about, if I really want to go ahead with all of these things, what is the point which I'm trying to tell you is, observe carefully. We are traveling like this. See, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, K, L and N. So basically we are moving horizontally. Okay. That means along the width or along the breadth. And that is why the name BFS has come. And it is not mandatory that you go in this level, this style only. You can put this like after A, you can take as D, C, B. This way you can travel. Next way is to approach from left to right and just go one by one. So order, always travel in the one form, right? That is one thing. Now, this is, since it moves like this level by level, and if you observe, there is no element which is left behind, right? See, if you observe carefully, it has covered all the elements, right? So that means when it covers all the elements, it is called complete, right? Why it is called complete? Because it is covering all the elements, right? See, it is covering all the elements. Okay. Now, one more thing is there. Because it is traveling from here to here, the path is very short. See? So, it is also called optimal, right? Why do we call it optimal? Because it travels the shortest path. So why are we saying that shortest path? Because what happens in depth first search, DFS. So I'm going to upload a video soon. So it travels this way. See, in depth first search, it travels this way. Correct? This way. So what happens when you travel this way? That means it travels along the line vertically. Okay. So in this process, sometimes it happens that some things are left behind, right? I mean, some nodes are not covered or something. So we'll discuss that soon. You don't have to worry about it. So the point we are trying to say over here is BFS follows few things. That is FIFO, that is first in first out, the queue thing. What is the level order? I've already told you. This is the process it follows, the queue mechanism, right? It follows the shortest path, so it's optimal, right? It is called the complete process because it covers all the nodes. It covers all the nodes. Like nothing is left behind. Plus, we can also say it is the, it goes to the shallowest node. Shallowest node is as in like all it covers, right? And basically we are saying no, ki this is going level by level. So that is why it is called a level search technique. You can also call it as level search technique. This also you can call it, right? And obviously the last step, if we talk about, it is the time complexity, which is OV plus E. Correct? So that is what it is. So thank you so much. Stay with us. We'll be uploading more videos on data structures. Till then, stay tuned and please like, subscribe and share the channel.